Being rich isn't about the money. It's about what that money allows you to build. Let's step into the control room.
Most people think rich means making a lot of money. Hello again, I'm the tech boss, Mandel's computer-generated avatar. My job is to inform you about all things AI. Here's the latest.
Mr. Tech Boss, do you think it's more important to be rich or to help people?
Both are equally important. Making money matters. It gives you options, stability, and the ability to experience more of life. But helping people matters just as much, because money without purpose can become empty. My definition of being rich is having the resources to live well, help people, and create experiences that make life more meaningful. AI is making technology a bigger form of leverage, and I want to be careful with that word leverage, because this is not only about making more money, it is about making your usefulness bigger too. If you have a skill, a process, a lesson, or a way to solve a problem, AI can help you organize it, repeat it, and deliver it to more people without losing the human intention behind it.
Wealth is a tool. It organizes resources into practical impact, funding systems, training, and tools that empower small businesses.
What should someone watching this actually do with that idea?
Pick one thing you already know how to do that helps people. Then use your AI assistant to turn it into a repeatable workflow. Ask it, help me turn this skill into a step-by-step service I can deliver to 10 people without losing quality. Then build the checklist, the intake form, the follow-up message, the teaching script, and the quality check. If you know how to help a small business clean up customer follow-up, AI can help you build the questionnaire, write the first reply templates, organize the missed lead list, and create a weekly review process. You still bring the judgment. AI helps you package that judgment so more people can benefit from it.
AI is the force multiplier. It turns missed opportunities into organized growth through smart, consistent workflows.
What is the mistake people make with this?
They chase money first and forget the service. That creates shallow offers. Start with the person you want to help. What problem keeps costing them time, money, or peace of mind? Then use AI to lower the friction between your skill and their result. That is why I chose technology. It interested me first. But with AI, technology becomes more than something I like. It becomes a way to help more people than I could help one at a time. That is the real opportunity. Use AI to expand your usefulness, not just your income. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Mandel watches the comments himself, so if there is an AI topic you want covered next, drop it below. AI. Conceive it, then achieve it.
This is service-first wealth. When we prioritize the person, the profit follows. Let's build a future that's both generous and focused.